Hello, I'm Angela, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series TUF Ultrasonic Energy Meter. Dwyer's highly accurate and reliable Series TUF can be utilized to monitor heating or cooling energy consumption in applications such as heat metering, tenant utilities billing, radiators, or fan coils. The Series TUF incorporates a flowmeter, temperature meter, and a calculator into a single compact unit. This, combined with the lack of moving parts, helps to save on space, installation time, and cost over the life of the unit. This meter can measure flow and energy usage in pipes with a 2% full-scale accuracy. Units are available with an outside diameter ranging from 3/4 inch to 5 inches, for great flow rates from 6.6 to 440 gallons per minute or 25 to 1,667 liters per minute. For models up to 1.5 inches, the selectable couplings allow users to integrate the unit into MPT or BSPT connections. The larger models feature flange connections for quick connection into the pipeline. The integral 8-digit LED display allows for local indication, while the BACnet or Modbus communication protocol outputs also give the option for remote monitoring. The TUF monitors the number of BTUs or kilowatts used in a system, which is calculated by the flow of hot water as well as the input and output water temperature. In addition to energy total, the TUF can also transmit the flow rate, flow total, energy rate, energy total, temperature in, temperature out, and shifts in temperature. The Series TUF utilizes a transit time difference to measure the liquid flow rate in pipes. There are 2 sensors located within the inline tube of the body, and each sensor transmits an ultrasonic pulse through the pipe and fluid to the other sensor. The velocity of the liquid flowing through the pipes affects the time at which the pulses are sent and received. The difference in pulse travel time between the 2 sensors is used to calculate the flow rate. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.